Today we're testing which free image generator is the best, while also having ChatGPT as a control. Let's get into it. The main thing we're looking at today is KREA 2. It just came out, and we're gonna see if it's better than ZImage and see where it holds up against ChatGPT. First, we're doing ChatGPT, and this dragon looks pretty cool. This is a good control. This is exactly what I was wanting from the prompt. Now, this is ZImage. I think this still looks really cool as well. Obviously, it's not as real as what ChatGPT looks like, but you can see that it still has a lot of cool detail, and we're trying to go for that obsidian dragon look. And then now this is KREA 2. It's definitely got a more of a cartoony type look, which is okay, but I wouldn't say it's necessarily better. I would say that this is okay for both of them. I think we're gonna give it a tie for ZImage and KREA 2. Okay, next we have a gaming setup. So we're doing ChatGPT again first. This is pretty cool. Nice and simple, nothing super crazy. There's also no monster label on that can. So now ZImage actually did a really good job. This looks really cool. That does look like a monster can, but the computer, it's in front of the monitor. It doesn't make a lot of sense there. So that's a little weird. I'm gonna say that's not good. Now this is KREA 2, and this is awesome. I mean, this is about as perfect as it can get. This is a really cool setup. If you posted this, it doesn't even look fake at all. I mean, this looks like you really took this picture. I'm giving this to KREA 2 for sure. That's 1 point. Okay, so now we have this female elf sorcerer prompt. This is ChatGPT again. Looks cool. This is about what you want it to look like. Now this is ZImage. It still looks pretty good. I would say that this is pretty much right on par with ChatGPT. When if it comes down to money and you want things for free, ZImage is great. But let's check KREA 2. Now KREA 2 is honestly, if you're trying to go for this more sorcerer look, something like this, I mean, this is pretty much this is exactly what you want. I'm giving this to KREA 2 for sure. 2 points, KREA 2. Now guys, real quick, if you're wondering what this is my GigaBrain app. This is made for content creators, for builders, for business owners. This is only just one section of what it is. This is GigaGen. If you want to get my GigaBrain OS app, you guys can definitely get that inside my description. Let's go on to the next. Okay, let's see how good it is with landscape. So here's ChatGPT landscape. You got a little eagle here. Honestly, that eagle does not look good, but landscape looks awesome. The ZImage landscape honestly looks, man, I don't know what's up with ChatGPT, but this looks better than ChatGPT's landscape. Now KREA 2, it looks a little tiny bit animated. It doesn't look as real, so that's just a little bit off-putting, but honestly, it's a much better picture. I'm gonna have to give it to KREA 2. What do you guys think? Okay, so now let's see how good it is with very close-up detail of a face. So this is ChatGPT, pretty much perfect. This is what you want. Let's see what the other two do. Here is ZImage. This honestly looks great. This is very realistic. It honestly looks more realistic than ChatGPT, if you ask me. This looks very good. Maybe I'm missing something, but I mean, the crow's feet, everything looks good. Now here's KREA 2. This might be just a little too much wrinkle. I'm not really sure how to explain it, but it's still very good. I think I'm gonna give this a tie for ZImage and KREA 2. These both did very well. Okay, now we're testing a Japanese cyberpunk world. This is ChatGPT. Looks pretty good. Let's check the others. This is ZImage. It's very realistic looking, not as good as the ChatGPT control. And now this is KREA 2. Honestly, I think KREA 2 won this one. So that's 3 points for KREA 2. Okay, next we have a Valkyrie warrior. This is ChatGPT. Looks pretty good. This is exactly what you would want it to look like. And this is ZImage. It honestly looks a little too realistic. I'm not sure exactly how to explain it. It's just very bland looking. Now this is KREA 2. Obvious winner. This is basically, if you're trying to have a Valkyrie warrior, I mean, this is exactly what you would want to have. So definitely giving this one to KREA 2. Now these little burger shots are great for ads, so let's see how it does with these. This is ChatGPT. Looks great. That looks appetizing. I'd eat that. This is ZImage. Honestly, it even looks better than ChatGPT just when it comes to looking real. You can even see the burn marks. There's little burn marks on the bread. That's pretty nice detail. And the fries in the background. This is KREA 2. Honestly, it looks really good too. I would eat every single one of these. So even though they're not real, I know they're not real, but they all look good. I'm gonna have to give this a like a tie. Okay, now let's do a tiger splashing through the water. This is ChatGPT, looks really good. A lot of water splashing up right here, but not a big deal. Okay, Z image looks really good, man. I mean, this looks just like a tiger. I mean, this looks like a picture that you would take, like a professional photography picture. Now, this is KREA 2. Honestly, you can kind of tell it's a little fake. It's got a little bit more of an animation look to it. It doesn't look as realistic. The water looks great, but you can kind of tell right here, like on its forehead, that it's not real. So I'm gonna give this a Z image. Okay, now this is a test that even flagship models can fail. So this is just about wording. So we've got a coffee store here, Morning Brew Co. I told it what to say, everything inside the prompt. Fresh roast, everything looks good. This is all, it's all good. I would say just probably not like down there where it says coffee and the price. It's using commas instead of periods. Now Z image looks awful. This is, I mean, it looks nice. Maybe it's the most realistic looking one. I mean, you could definitely see a morning brew company like this, I'm sure. But I gotta give it to KREA 2. This looks really good. Oh wait, no. I am just now seeing. Okay, so the Morning Brew Co. and the Fresh Roast Daily 4, that looks great. But down below on that little sign down there, that's speaking gibberish. Okay, so I didn't notice it, but down below they're both speaking gibberish. So based off of aesthetics alone, it looks good. Both of them look good, but I'm gonna have to say both of them fail when it comes to the words. I didn't tell it exactly what to say for the signs, like the smaller signs. So I don't know if you want to call that a fail, but I think it should be a fail because it couldn't think of it on its own. Okay, now let's get into some weird things. We got floating islands and a big whale. You know, this is ChatGPT. Let's check the next. This is the image. It honestly looks really cool. It's definitely done the weird aspect. Now this is KREA 2. It's not really that good. I'm gonna have to give it to Z image on this one. KREA 2 just looked too for me. Now this, it looks a whole lot better. I'm gonna give it to Z image. What do you guys think? Okay, now let's do some mech warriors. ChatGPT looks pretty cool. That's what you want. Now Z image kind of did a little bit of a Gundam. It looks very much like Gundam. That's kind of funny, but I didn't tell it to look like that at all. Now KREA 2, it definitely followed more so what we're looking for. I don't know which one to give this to because the Gundam one's kind of, it's so much more cooler. Man, I think we're gonna have to give this to KREA 2. Okay, now let's check how good they are being under the ocean or underwater. This is ChatGPT, looks pretty good, looks pretty realistic. Now this is Z image, which honestly looks way more realistic than even ChatGPT. And that's kind of crazy. I mean, this is free. This was free generated. And then this is KREA 2. It honestly looks really good. I don't know who to give it to because they both look pretty good and they both have a really nice background. The water looks real up on top. I think I'm gonna have to give it a tie for both. Okay, now let's see which one can do a cute little 3D character. This is ChatGPT, looks pretty cute. This is Z image, also looks pretty cute. ChatGPT was best though. And then this is KREA 2. Honestly, KREA 2 looks the cutest little guy, but none of them really followed what I wanted. I wanted kind of like how ChatGPT did it. I think I'm still gonna give it to. I think I'm gonna give it to KREA 2. It still looks really cute. Okay, now let's test this on a Roman legionary. This looks pretty good. This is ChatGPT. Now this is Z image. Honestly, not that good. It looks kind of crappy. I ain't gonna lie. Now this is KREA 2. Honestly, super badass, man. This is cool. This is honestly one of the best. I mean, this is free. You're able to generate this for free, just right here on your local machine. I'm gonna give it to KREA 2. Okay, now let's check supercars in the rain. This is really cool. This is ChatGPT. Now this is Z image. This looks really good. This is like something you would actually take a picture in real life. Like this looks real. Now this is KREA 2, and honestly, the water underneath the tires, that doesn't look good, guys. That's got to be a fail. That's got to be a fail. You see the water underneath the tires. Z image right here, it gets it right. So when it comes to cars, definitely don't use KREA 2. Now guys, if you've made it this far, thank you so much. This is my GigaBrain app. If you guys are wanting to get into this and build our community, the more of you that join, the more I can add to this. I want to definitely add more image generation models. I want to work on getting video generation in here. It's hard, but we're going to get there. And this app, guys, we have everything. It's so you can one-shot do everything. If you're a content creator, this app is for you. Anyways, guys, if you want any of these prompts or any of the information on anything, join my free school down below. I'll see you in the next one.